Nice one. Woo!
Ganda. Getting for the 3, and it goes. It's an isolation. What a drive. What a show. He's trying to steal it. He drives it. Whoa, what a spin. What a shot. And now it's 9-3 on the coffin. Cyrus driving, shot, and it goes. Oh, ito. Third game tayo. So, ayun guys, third game tayo. And winner to winner na to, no? So, itong mga taste 1-0. 1-0 to. So, sila ang maglalaban ngayon for our third match. And, yun nga. Nung second game, ang nagwagi is yung timbangan, which is, ang score is 12-9, if I'm not mistaken. Medyo dikit. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa win-win situation natin. At kung sino matatalo dito, ilalabanan yung nanalo, which is yung timbangan. And kung sino yung matatalo, may chance na malabanan yung panalo sa kabila. Yung talo sa kabila. Pagka nanalo, ang kalaban nila is yung talo sa kabila. Magko-comments na. And ngayon, ito ang ating referee for our match, na naghahanda siya ng panghampas. Pagka may nagreklamo, hampasin namin. So walang technical to, pagka technical hampas agad. Yan. Miss na. So our third game will commence. Okay. Anong pangalan nyo? Anong pangalan ng grupo nyo?
Team Jake Cyrus.
Team Jake. Bola ng Team Jake. Bola ng Team Jake. Team Jake's goal. Ikaw, sige, ikaw referee.
Dalawa kami nilawas.
Okay.
Foul. Ay, wala pa pala. Pwede shot mo. Nice one. Woo!
Ganda. 1-0.
Kita niyo yun, guys. Nilusutan si Justin. Dinaanan.
Kuha. Nakahigil lagi. So yung isa po dito mahilig mang eme. Tinira ng 3, sayang. Huli. Libre daw, oh. Kapos. Kaya doon, naghahawak ng bola, pinasa kay Justin. Justin gumagalaw, kumikilos, pinasa kay Kuya Dudes on the line of 2, thinking, driving, and he gets it. No, it misses. Ni-rebound ni kapatid, nakuha ni Jayhan, dribbling the ball, Jayhan, hawak ang bola, dinidribble, nagmamabs phenomenal, tinira ng 3, wala, na-rebound ni JC, pinasa, hinawak, pinasa kay Kuya Dudes, hawak ang bola. Now thinking what to do. And it's an isolation. JC getting in the 3. No, it's a fake. And he gets it. No, rebound ni Jayhan, dribbling the ball outside. Pinasa kay kapatid. Going back to Jayhan, pinasa kay Cyrus, the fake, pinasa, binalik kay Jayhan, driving, getting for the 3, and it goes. It's a 3-4-0 in favor of Jake. So change of referee. Pinasa for the 2. No, it misses. Kuha ni Justin, pinasa kay JC, pinasa kay Kuya Dudes. Being handled by Jayhan. Kuya Dudes dribbling the ball, thinking, and he drives. Will he get it? No, sir. Rebound ni Justin, pinasa kay JC. Kinuha ni Kuya ano pangalan nito? Nalilito na ako sa pangalan. Ni Kuya Dudes. And it's a foul. Bogart, pengi akong tubig, sige na. Maya ka. Tinira. No, nakuha pa rin ni JC. Pinasa kay Kuya Dudes. Dribbling outside, thinking, driving. He gets the shot, and it's no good. Rebound ni kapatid. And it's may foul. Sino may foul? JC. Kapatid is was fouled by JC. So, it's ball of Team Jake. Cyrus dribbling the ball. Outside, thinking. Will he pass it? Oh, it's out of bounds. First pass to Cyrus. Cyrus dribbling the ball. It's an isolation. What a drive. What a shot. What a shot by Cyrus. That's a 4 and a 0. Wow. What a starter. Wow. JC, did he get the 2? Yes, sir. JC, put that water in the flame. It's no good. JC passes to Kuya Dudes. Pinasa kay JC. What a pass. It's no to avail. It's a double. It's a traveling. It's a traveling. Kung mapapansin mo, no, partner, sayang yung pasa kanina sa loob. Now, Cyrus again driving the ball. Kung mapapansin natin, itong rookie na to, no, in this past season, napakaganda ng kanyang performance. Dribbling the ball. Now, what a shot by Cyrus. What a shot. That's 5-2.
5-2
No?
in favor of Team.
Wow. This Cyrus, this rookie, I cannot believe it. Kuya Dudes drives the ball and it goes. It's a 5-3. 5-3 in favor of Jake. Dribbling pass to Cyrus. Again, this rookie, the magic rookie dribbling the ball. It's an isolation. He gets the 3. No to avail. Gets by JC. JC passes to Justin. Pass to Kuya Dudes. Now on the outside, he gets the 3. No. Jayhan. He gets the ball. He gets a rebound. He goes for the 3. And it goes. It's a 7 and a 2. 7 and a 2 in favor of Jake. 7-3. Okay.
Favorite of Team Bogart.
Duh. JC. No. No. Cyrus, he gets the rebound. Will he get the shot? Yes, it goes. 8-3 for this magic rookie. Wow. Kuya Dudes, 4-2, no. Justin gets the ball. And still Bogart's ball. So mapapansin natin, ito palang magic rookie natin is graduate from Letran, guys. No? So, siya pala ang MVP noon, no, nung last UAAP. At na-draft siya dito sa Team Jake.
Good.
Hayaan mo akong magsalita. Rebound ni Jayhan. Jayhan, did he shot for 2? No. Justin, no, it's out of bounds. Team Jake. Will he gets the ball? It's still 8-3. Cyrus, isolation still an isolation. Oh, he's trying to steal it. He drives it. Whoa, what a spin, what a shot, and now it's 9-3. Nag-iinit yung rookie natin. Wow, what a shot. Kuya Dudes for the 2, no. Cyrus, he gets the ball. Will he shot for the 2? He shot for the 2. And it goes! 11-3. 11-3. It's for the last now.
Oh no! Sambak tayo ah. Okay. Let's go. Walang tawag.
It's now traveling. Travel nga ba? I don't know. You tell me, guys. I don't know the rules. For the last ball. So mapansin natin, no, yung Jayhan kasi napulot lang yan sa kung saan. Cyrus. An isolation indeed. An isolation. Will he finish it? Will he put the nail on the coffin? Cyrus driving, shot, and it goes, and it goes, and it goes. What a shot for Cyrus.
Alay mo guys, tinalo na kami ng ganun-ganon.
Our MVP.
Player.
Our MVP. Cyrus, come on.
Kung bibigyan kami ng
Show
pagkakataon
yourself in camera. Hi.
Kung bibigyan
Wow.
kami ng pagkakataon ulit na maglaban, ako na magbabantay dito. Lalagyan ko ito ng pusas.
Tama. So, ayun lang guys. So, tapos na ang ating third match. Fourth match na tayo, which is winner to loser. So out na muna ako and magpapatuloy tayo sa next video.